people, welcome back to Keep It Stylish. I'm Doita and today we are going to do an interesting video. So it has been lockdown in India for almost 60 days now, even though the lockdown is getting over, but most people who can work from home are working from home, and I am one such people. So to be honest, in this 60 days or more, I have really been always in my pajamas and home clothes and use comfy clothes. Obviously, which means there's no makeup, no hair, like doing my hair, no anything, which was great actually. So I was thinking when this lockdown started that I do a lot of I love doing makeup, so I do a lot of makeup when I go out, when I go to work. I put tiny bit of makeup, etc. So but every day I would use makeup in my day-to-day life. So when the lockdown started and it was like 10-15 days of it, I thought that why don't I give my face, my skin basically a detox. Even my hair, like not adding any extra chemical products, not putting heat, etc. So I thought that and I did, and trust me, I have been using almost zero makeup in most of the days. So but today you can see I put on some makeup because some days I would have these important calls, whether it's for my blog or it's for my office, where I had to look a little put together. And for that I made a small makeup kit, and I also wanted to be very I wanted to be very mindful of what I'm using through this time, because I was trying to instead of using everything I own, I was trying to use products which I haven't for a couple of months or something, which I've been neglecting or pushing back and using something more. So I picked up those products from my kits, and I wanted to use them because I'm trying to be more mindful of what I own and what I use. So I thought that would be great. So I put together a small go-to kit which I've been using for my simple Zoom calls, or sometimes if I need even a little heavier makeup like I have on today. So I'm just going to show you these products. Some of these products you have seen before, I think so, from they're not there with me since 3 years, but I've re-purchased them because I absolutely love them. So to be honest, first I've been using a lot of aloe vera gel because in the middle I got some rashes. So the first, as a base, I'm not using any primer. I used an aloe vera gel. After the aloe vera gel, I have absolutely no compact, no foundation, no concealer on. Even right now I just have the aloe vera gel on. And the next thing is obviously my favorite, my highlighters. So highlighter, this is a blush cum highlighter, so it adds just a little bit of tint and a little bit of glow, which I love. So usually my Zoom calls are in the morning and you don't want to be really all glowy in the morning. So this adds a very nice color, and this is from Wet n Wild. I bought this while I was in the US. This is in the shade 327B Apricot in the middle. I'm not sure if you guys can see the shade. It's a lovely shade. So if you put it in your hand or face, there's just a shimmer. I don't know if it's focusing, but this is just the shimmer which adds, and I love that. So I put a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my forehead, above my lips, and on my cheeks, and that's it. That's all I put above my aloe vera gel. The next thing that I always put is some eyeshadow. So you guys would know this Kylie palette is one of my most favorite palette, and I've been using this for a really long time. I think this is my second buy or third buy in the last 3 years. Yeah, so almost every year I've got this. So today I put on a little bit of this and I've added this. So these are all very neutral colors. They're perfect for office, parties, everything. So I use this palette. I just pick up any one color and just highlight my eyes and sometimes my under waterline also. So this is the next thing. This is the bronze palette, Kylie bronze palette. Next thing is the most important thing. Some days I don't even do any, so I put on some aloe vera gel and ta-da, here is my mascara. I love this mascara. This is from MAU and it has it adds so much volume to my eyes. I just, I don't know, it just gives that instant glow in my face when I put on some mascara. So I just love mascaras and I'm currently using this one. Next on the list is kajal. So when I bought this kajal, it's from Biotique. It smudges a lot. So usually when I was going out into office, I did not use this because it would be all over me. But now that I'm at home and I'm also practicing not to touch my face so much or rub my eyes, because with the virus around, you're not supposed to, you should avoid touching your face too much. So I've been being mindful about that too. So I took it out and I thought I will use it. It's very pigmented, but it smudges a lot, so I wouldn't recommend this, but just because I have it, I'm using it. The next thing is my eyeliner. I don't put on eyeliner every day actually. I always put the mascara and the kajal most days, but I have this eyeliner and this is from Sivana Colors. And it's a pencil liner. It has a very pointy pen and it's very nice. I love this also. I use this regularly. So this was not from the back of my closet, but something which I've been always using. So I think this is the only eyeliner I have for black. And lastly, to be honest, the makeup which I've been using a lot is lipstick. So with every makeup with every call, what I mainly am changing are my lipsticks. So right now, Matte Me from ADS Pro, I have this one on right now. Other than that, I have these. So I love matte lipstick, but I only use matte lipstick. So I took out my more creamy non-matte lipstick like this one from Electine. It's a ColourPop, which is in the shade of Berry Bestie, but it says it's a matte, but it's clearly not a matte lipstick. This is the color. It's very beautiful and I kind of use this the maximum. And Bangalore is very dry, so it's very nice to put something, some sort of lipstick on which is more hydrating, because it helps keep your lips a little hydrated. So the other one I have is from Wet n Wild, that's Mink Brown. This is the other color. If you can see, these are very common ones I've been using a lot throughout this, and these are that is like the one I'm wearing, and the other Electine one are very pop colors. This is more subtle, so most of my office meeting where I don't want to be looking too decked up, I've been using this. And lastly, I have two nail polishes which I'm using. I have it on my fingers. Both of them are from Miniso. One is red and one is golden. Sometimes I put it like this, like one golden, all red, then sometimes I alternate it. Some or the other, I've been using these two because I want to finish them. I so never finish nail polishes, and I hate that. I hate wasting nail polishes because I buy them with so much love and then don't never use it. So I'm just using these two so I can finish them. And that's about it. That's in my lockdown makeup kit. Very simple, 5 to 6 products. I will link all the products below, so if you want any of them, you can get them. You might not want to buy the same brands. You can use your brands, but I think, for easy, quick makeup, easy, quick, fast, glam go, I think these are enough. If you have pigmented skin, you would want foundation, but foundation, when you're detoxing your skin, I wouldn't recommend using foundations. And when you don't need it, not really need, if you're going for some event or a party, it's needed. But for a Zoom call, I would suggest not to put too much makeup on, because why would you want to, give your skin all those chemicals when you're just, it's a matter of 5-10 minutes where you can look good even without them, and your skin is beautiful how it is. So these are the few things which I've been using. Comment down below about what you guys are using, and if you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you really like this video. Till then, bye bye, see you again on Thursday, and always remember to keep it stylish.